फ्रेंड्स, आप सबका स्वागत है आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मा।
इनमें से कौन सा एरोमेटेज इनहिबिटर है? एस्पिरिन, लिट्रोजोल, कीटामिन, टिमोलोल। ओके, तो इसका आंसर करिए एरोमेटेज इनहिबिटर इज। ओके, तो देखिए आप वीडियो को पॉज करके अपना आंसर सोच सकते हैं। ओके, तो एरोमेटेज इनहिबिटर में हमारा आता है लिट्रोजोल। ओके, आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कैप्टोप्रिल इज कैप्टोप्रिल क्या है? ACE इनहिबिटर्स, माओ इनहिबिटर, HMG को रिडक्टेज इनहिबिटर, अल्फा ग्लूकोसाइडाइज इनहिबिटर। कैप्टोप्रिल इज ACE इनहिबिटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है नॉन स्टेरॉयडल एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी एजेंट डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम एंथ्रानिलिक एसिड इज मेफनामिक एसिड, आइब्यूप्रोफन, इंडोमिथासिन, डिक्लोफिनैक सोडियम। आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा मेफनामिक एसिड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एंटीमाइक्रोबियल एक्शन ऑफ पेनिसिलिन इज ड्यू टू इट्स इफेक्ट ऑन सेल वॉल सिंथेसिस, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, DNA सिंथेसिस, सेल मेम्ब्रेन। आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए सेल वॉल सिंथेसिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए मैक्रोलाइड एंटीबायोटिक? ऑप्शंस हैं इरिथ्रोमाइसिन, स्ट्रिप्टोमाइसिन, नियोमाइसिन, कैनामाइसिन। Answer of this question is macrolide antibiotic is erythromycin, option A. Next question is which of the following is a G protein coupled receptor? Glucocorticoid receptor, insulin receptor, muscarinic cholinergic receptors, nicotinic cholinergic receptors. Which of the following is G protein coupled receptor? Okay, answer of this question is muscarinic cholinergic receptors. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जीरो ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स मीन्स। जीरो ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स का मतलब क्या है? ऑप्शंस देख लीजिए। इफेक्ट दैट कैन बी इंक्रीज बाय गिविंग द सेकेंड एजेंट दैट बूस्ट द इफेक्ट ऑफ द लीवर एंजाइम सिस्टम, ए कॉन्स्टेंट अमाउंट ऑफ ड्रग इज एलिमिनेटेड पर यूनिट टाइम, fraction of administered dose that bridges the systemic circulation, constant fraction of drug in the body is eliminated per unit time. आंसर करिए जीरो ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स। आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी constant amount of drug is eliminated per unit time. ओके, तो देखिए इसमें क्वेश्चंस को एक्सप्लेन नहीं करेंगे, तो ये आपका टेस्ट पेपर है ना, प्रैक्टिस सेट है, तो इसमें सिर्फ मैं आपको जो है क्वेश्चन और उसका आंसर बता रही हूँ। अगर आपको इनका एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ में वीडियो चाहिए तो आप कमेंट करना। वैसे मैंने एक्सप्लेन करे हुए इन सब क्वेश्चंस को, आप कमेंट करना। ये जो है मैं आपका एक्सप्लेन करके भी आपके लिए वीडियो ले आऊँगी। ओके, तो इसमें सिर्फ क्वेश्चन और आंसर देखेंगे। क्लोरोक्विन बिलोंग टू विच एंटी मलेरियल क्लास? ऑप्शंस हैं 4 अमीनो क्विनोलिन, 8 अमीनो क्विनोलिन, 9 अमीनो क्विनोलिन, बाइगुएनाइड्स। आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा 4 अमीनो क्विनोलिन इज क्लोरोक्विन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आइडेंटिफाई एंटीहिस्टामिनिक ड्रग विद एडिशनल सीरोटोनिन रिसेप्टर ब्लॉक एंड गुड एपेटाइट स्टिमुलेंट प्रॉपर्टी। ऑप्शंस हैं रानिटिडिन, सिमेटिडिन, क्लोरफेनारामिन, सिप्रोहेप्टाडिन। आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी सिप्रोहेप्टाडिन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ नॉन अ पेप्टाइड हार्मोन produced by posterior pituitary gland? Vasopressin, prolactin, aldosterone, thyroxine. Answer of this question is option A vasopressin. पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी से एक तो वैसोप्रेसिन प्रोड्यूस होता है और दूसरा हार्मोन जो है वो आप बताना नाम कौन सा है, दूसरा हार्मोन है। ओके, नेक्स्ट है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ बीटा लैक्टमेज इनहिबिटर? पेनिसिलानिक एसिड, एम्बोलिक एसिड, सिफेलोस्पोरानिक एसिड, क्लैवुलानिक एसिड। बीटा लैक्टमेज इनहिबिटर इज क्लैवुलानिक एसिड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन अल्जीमर डिजीज विच पेप्टाइड लेवल एलिवेटेड? अल्फा हीमोग्लोबिन, अल्फा एमिनो एडिपेट, बीटा अमाइलोड, बीटा एलेनिन। आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी बीटा अमाइलोइड। ओके, next question is choose the selective blocker of beta 1 adrenoceptor. Selective beta 1 blocker: labetalol, prazosin, atenolol, propranolol. Answer of this question is option C atenolol. Next question has Stevenson-Johnson syndrome is the most common adverse effect associated with one of the following category of drug: sulfonamide, tetracycline, macrolide, penicillin. आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए सल्फोनामाइड्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच इज मेन मिनरलोकॉर्टिकॉइड इन ह्यूमंस? सीरोटोनिन, कोर्टिसोल, एल्डोस्टेरोन, एंड्रोजन। आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी एल्डोस्टेरोन इज द मेन मिनरलोकॉर्टिकॉइड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ड्रग with high affinity for receptor and high intrinsic activity is agonist, antagonist, inverse agonist, partial agonist. Okay, answer is agonist. Okay, agonist क्या है? ड्रग जिसकी क्या हाई एफिनिटी होती है रिसेप्टर्स के लिए, हाई इंट्रिंसिक एक्टिविटी होती है। क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट है विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ पेरेंट्रल रूट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन? इंटराथीकल, सबक्यूटेनियस, इंटराविनस, रेक्टल, सपोजिटरी। Which is not parenteral route? Answer is option D. Rectal suppository is not parenteral route of administration. Next, which among the following is an antiviral agent? Nalfinavir, lincomycin, nimorazole, isoniazid. Answer is option A. Nalfinavir is antiviral agent. Now, the neostigmine is mainly used for the treatment of urinary incontinence, myasthenia gravis, stroke, myocardial infarction. Neostigmine is mainly used for the treatment of option B myasthenia gravis. Next question, antimalarial drug containing endoperoxide structure is quinine, artemisinin, doxycycline, cycloguanil. Antimalarial drug containing endoperoxide structure is option 2 artemisinin. Next question is killer Kiliani test is specific for cascaroside, pronacin, linamarin, digitoxose. Killer Kiliani test is specific for digitoxose, option D. Next question is Curci is saponin alkaloid, isoquinoline alkaloid, indole alkaloid, steroidal alkaloid. Curci is a steroidal alkaloid. Next question is mir contain gum alkaloid protein glycoside. मिर कंटेन गम, ओलियो गम रेजिन्स में आपका मिर आता है। सना बिलोंग्स टू द फैमिली, सना की फैमिली पूछी है लेग्यूमिनोसी, बर्सिरेसी, रैमनेसी, स्क्रोफलेरिएसी। सना बिलोंग्स टू द फैमिली ऑफ लेग्यूमिनोसी। आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट नेचुरली अकरिंग कार्मिनेटिव इज एसोफोइटिडा, अशोका, अर्जुना, अगार। आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए एसोफोइटिडा इज नेचुरली अकरिंग कार्मिनेटिव। Crude drug is used as diuretic. Colchicum, Pterocarpus, Punarnava, Picrorhiza. Diuretic is option C Punarnava. Next question is which one of the following drug belongs to Rubiaceae family? Cinchona, Nux vomica, ephedra, ergot. Which of the following drug belongs to Rubiaceae family? कौन सी ड्रग है? आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए Cinchona belongs to Rubiaceae family. Next, hydrocarpic acid is a constituent of castor oil, shark liver oil, cholmugra oil, lemongrass oil. Hydrocarpic acid is a constituent of option C cholmugra oil. Next, which of the following plant is commonly known as henbane? Hyoscyamus, belladonna, aconite, rhubarb. Which of the following plant is commonly known as henbane? Henbane is Hyoscyamus, option A. Next question, indole group of alkaloid present in indole alkaloids present in Cinchona and Nux vomica, Cinchona, cinnamon and Cinchona, Vasica and Ipecac, Nux vomica and Revolvia. Indole alkaloids are present in Nux vomica and Revolvia, option D right हो जाएगा। Next, dash type of stomata is present in the crude drug clone. Parasitic, diacitic, anemocytic and isocytic. In clove, which type of stomata is present? Answer is option C anemocytic stomata are present in clove. Next, which of the following crude drug is the answer for bone trigger test? Cascara, catechu, isabgol, gelatin. Bone trigger test is given by anthraquinone glycosides and the answer is cascara which belongs to anthraquinone glycosides. Next, cyanogenetic glycosides are present in nutmeg, kaolin, linseed, cocaine. Cyanogenetic glycosides are present in option C linseed and the linseed contain which cyanogenetic glycoside? That is linamarin. Next question is D-linalool is the main constituent of cardamom, ajwain, fennel, coriander. D-linalool is the main constituent of coriander, option D. Next, vitamin K is essential for the synthesis of following factors except Options are factor 9, factor 10, factor 3, factor 2. Vitamin K is essential for the synthesis of following factor except option जो हो जाएगा C, except factor 3. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ सिंपल एपिथेलियल टिश्यू ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी विच एपिथेलियल सेल्स कॉल्ड पेवमेंट एपिथेलियल सेल्स, स्क्वैमस एपिथेलियम, क्यूबॉइडल एपिथेलियम, सिलिएटेड या कोलुमनर एपिथेलियम. इन कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ सिमिलर एपिथेलियल सेल्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी विच एपिथेलियल सेल्स कॉल्ड पेवमेंट एपिथेलियम. आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, स्क्वैमस epithelium is called pavement epithelium. Next, a clotting factor, factor 9 is otherwise known as Christmas factor, Higman factor, Labile factor, Stuart power factor. Factor 9 is known as Christmas factor, option A. Next है myocardium is a special muscle tissue found only in the brain, heart, stomach, lungs. Myocardium present in option B, heart. Next question है powerhouse of cell is Golgi bodies, mitochondria, ribosome, nucleus. Powerhouse of cell is mitochondria. Answer is option B. Next, important site of fetal blood cell production. Pons, spleen, lymph, thymus. Important site of fetal blood cell production is option B, spleen. Next question है what is called to a membrane bound organelle involved in cellular process such as protein transport and production. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi and dictyosomes, vacuoles, vesicles. Membrane bound organelles involved in cellular process such as protein transport and production is option A, endoplasmic reticulum. Next question, ESR stands for erythrocyte sedimentation rate, emulsion sedimentation rate, electrolyte sedimentation rate या estimation solid rate. ESR stands for erythrocyte sedimentation rate. Next question is there are dash number of cervical vertebrae in a human body. 7, 10, 5, 9. Cervical vertebrae in a human body are option A, 7. Next question is the human body consists of bones 601, 106, 206, 602. Human body consists of bones option C 206, 206, 206. नेक्स्ट है पार्ट ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन कंटेनिंग डायरेक्शन टू द फार्मासिस्ट फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन एंड फॉर डिस्पेंसिंग दैम इज नोन एज पार्ट ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन कंटेनिंग डायरेक्शन टू द फार्मासिस्ट. सुपरस्क्रिप्शन, रिफाइलिंग, subscription, signa. Answer is option 3, subscription. Next question is 1 tablespoonful is equal to 5 ml, 15 ml, 25 ml, 50 ml. 1 tablespoonful is equal to 15 ml, option B. Next question is which is the process used to kill pathogenic bacteria in milk without affecting its nutritional value? Pasteurization, autoclaving, radiation sterilization, gas sterilization. Answer is option A, pasteurization. Next question is which filler cannot be used for the preparations of tablets for amine containing basic drugs to avoid discoloration of tablets? Dicalcium phosphate, microcrystalline cellulose, starch, lactose. Answer is option D, lactose. Next question, a Bloom strength is used to check the quality of lactose, ampoule, hardness of tablet, gelatin. Bloom strength is used to check the quality of option D, gelatin. Next question is in nail polish following polymer is used as film former. Options है nitrocellulose, polylactic acid, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, cellulose acetate, phthalate. Answer is option A, nitrocellulose is used as film former. Next question है meaning of Latin term RX. Take though when necessary, sand right. RX meaning is option A, take though, you take. Next है filter sheets made of cellulose are sheets filter, membrane filter, glass fiber filter, sintered glass filter. Filter sheets made of cellulose are membrane filter, option B. Next question, extraction process where powdered crude drug is kept in contact with suitable solvent for suitable time. Percolation, decoction, maceration, reserve percolation. Extraction process where powdered crude drug is kept in contact with suitable solvent for suitable time. Answer is option C, maceration. Next, a Latin term used for at bedtime. Alternisoris haec nocte, ओरा या ओरासोमनी, एट बेड टाइम जो है लैटिन टर्म ऑप्शन डी ओरासोमनी। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केमिकल इज यूज इन द गैसियस मैथड ऑफ स्टरलाइजेशन, इथाइलिन ऑक्साइड, फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, क्रिसोल, फिनॉल। आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, इथाइलिन ऑक्साइड इज यूज इन गैसियस मैथड ऑफ स्टरलाइजेशन। नेक्स्ट है फ्रिक्शनल force of loose powder are measured by the dissolution, disintegration, angle of repose, uniformity of weight. Answer is option C, angle of repose. Next question है hammer mill work on the principle of cutting, impact, compression, attrition. Hammer mill work on the principle of impact, option B. Next question is during freeze drying the temperature should be kept below the dash temperature, melting point, triple point, boiling point, freezing point. Answer is option B, triple point. During freeze drying, temperature should be kept below the triple point temperature. Next question is first edition of British Pharmacopoeia was published in which year? 1854, 1857, 1864, 1867. First BP was published in 1864. Answer is option C. Next, which one of the following is not an ex officio member of PCI Pharmacy Council of India? Options are Director General of Health Service, Director of Central Drug Laboratory, Drug Controller General of India, Director of Pharmacopoeia Laboratory. Answer of this question is option D. Director of Pharmacopoeia Laboratory is not ex officio member of Pharmacy Council of India. Next question, standard for surgical dressings are given in Schedule H, Schedule FF, Schedule F3, Schedule F2. Standards for surgical dressings are given in option D, Schedule F2. Next question has Schedules S refers to. Options are standard for patent and proprietary medicines, standards for cosmetics, standards for disinfectant fluid, standard biological and special products. Schedule S refers to standards for cosmetics, option B. Next है आपका question, which of the following schedule gives standards of mechanical contraceptives? Schedule C, Schedule F, Schedule D, Schedule R. Answer is option D, Schedule R. Next है under which section of Indian Penal Code drug inspector are appointed? Section 23, Section 17, Section 21, Section 22. Drug inspector is appointed under Section 21. Answer is option C. Next है Central Drug Laboratory situated in Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, New Delhi. Central Drug Laboratory situated in option A, Kolkata. Next question, a form for the issue of license to sell, stock, exhibit for sale or distribute drugs specified in Schedule X in retail. Schedule X in retail. 20F, 20G, 21A, 21. Schedule X in retail, option A, 20F. Okay. Next question is, which chapter of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rule 1945 is related with the import of drug and cosmetics? Chapter 3, Chapter 2, Chapter 4 or Chapter 5? Answer is option A, Chapter 3. Chapter 3 is related with the import of drug and cosmetics. Next, a Drug and Magic Remedies Act was passed in 1956, 1954, 1952, 1953. Option B, 1954. Drug and Magic Remedies Act was passed in 1954. Next, a schedule regarding standards of disinfectant fluid. Schedule P, Schedule O, Schedule J, Schedule R. Standards of disinfectant fluids comes under option B, Schedule O. Next question is, an enzyme hexokinase belongs to the class of transferase, oxidoreductase, hydrolase, ligase. Hexokinase belongs to the class of transferase, option A. Next question है, vitamin involved in the biosynthesis of collagen. Options हैं tocopherol, ascorbic acid, biotin, pantothenic acid. Vitamin involved in the biosynthesis of collagen is option B, ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. Next है, which of the following is an example of heteropolysaccharide? Options are cellulose, starch, glycose and high hyaluronic acid. Heteropolysaccharide is option C, high hyaluronic acid. Next question, all are essential amino acid except leucine, lysine, phenylalanine, tyrosine. All are essential amino acid except tyrosine, which is non-essential. Next question, which vitamin has pteridine ring in its structure? फॉलिक एसिड, बायोटिन, पैंटोथेनिक एसिड, ये है राइबोफ्लेविन. Vitamin that has pyridine ring in its structure is folic acid, option A. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है डैश इज नोन एज मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया. ऑप्शंस है सस्पेंशन ऑफ मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, सस्पेंशन ऑफ मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, सस्पेंशन ऑफ मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट, सस्पेंशन ऑफ मिल्क एंड मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया इज 7.5 to 8% सस्पेंशन ऑफ, ये आपको है मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट है यूज फॉर ट्रीटिंग डैंड्रफ, एंटी डैंड्रफ, सिलीनियम सल्फाइड, सल्फर, येलो मर्क्यूरिक ऑक्साइड, टिटेनियम डाइऑक्साइड. एंटी डैंड्रफ इज ऑप्शन is selenium sulfide. Selenium sulfide is used to treating dandruff. Next question is salt used in the X-ray studies of the gastrointestinal tract is barium sulfate, barium subnitrate, tantalum dioxide, thorium dioxide. Answer is option A. Barium sulfate is used in the X-ray studies of the gastrointestinal tract. Next, hydrogen peroxide assay is performed by diazotization titration, non-aqueous titration, neutralization या redox titration. Hydrogen peroxide assay is performed by option D, redox titration. Next question है sodium fluoride is used to cure inflammation of mouth, bacterial infection, acidity, dental caries. Sodium fluoride is used to cure option D, dental caries. Next question है type of spirochete bacteria responsible for producing syphilis. Leptospira, Helicobacter, Borrelia, Treponema. Type of spirochete bacteria responsible for producing syphilis is option D, Treponema pallidum. Next question is spherical shaped bacteria are termed as Bacilli, cocci, spirochetes, vibrio. Spherical shaped bacteria are termed as option B, cocci. Next question is which test is performed for diagnosis of typhoid? Dick test, Vidal test, Tyne test, Schick test. Which test is performed for diagnosis of typhoid? Answer is option B, Vidal test. Next question है hepatitis is bacterial infection, protozoal infection, fungal या viral infection. Hepatitis is option D, viral infection. Next, which of the following disease is not caused by rickettsia? Trench fever, Q fever, typhus, kala azar. Disease which is not caused by rickettsia is option D, kala azar. Next question है what is the incubation period of chicken pox? Options हैं 14 to 21 days, 1 to 2 days, 12 to 24 days, or 50 to 60 days. Answer is option A, 14 to 21 days is the incubation period of chicken pox. Next question है which of the following is not a viral vaccine? Options है oral polio vaccine, influenza vaccine, BCG vaccine, rubella vaccine. BCG vaccine is not a viral vaccine. It is a bacterial vaccine, live attenuated bacterial vaccine. Next, if a disease spread all over the world, it is called pandemic, universal, epidemic, endemic. If a disease spread all over the world, it is called pandemic. Option A. Next question is number of death in 1000 population in a year in a particular area is defined as crude mortality rate, morbidity rate, disability rate, utilization rate. Answer is option A, crude mortality rate. Next question है all are killed vaccine except rabies, pertussis, BCG, tetanus. All are killed vaccine except BCG which is live attenuated. Next है in drug store expiry dated drug formulations are called scrap item, surplus item, obsolete, dormant item. In a drug store expiry dated drug formulations are called obsolete item. Answer is option 3. Next, VED analysis in inventory control stands for vital essential drugs, vital essential desirable, very essential drugs, very effective drug. VED analysis in inventory control stands for VED stands for vital essential desirable, option 2. Next, a time period between placing an order and receipt in stock is known as lead time, shortage time, overtime, carrying time. Answer is option A, lead time. Next question is channel of distribution does not include which of the following? Wholesaler, transport agency, retailer, producer. Channel of distribution does not include option B, transport agency. Next question is minimum area required to run a drug store. 10 square meter, 15 square meter, 16 square meter, 20 square meter. Minimum area required to run a drug store is option A, 10 square meter. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हॉस्पिटल एक्वायर्ड इन्फेक्शंस आर कोल्ड प्राइमरी इन्फेक्शन, सेकेंडरी इन्फेक्शन, नोजोकोमियल इन्फेक्शन, लेटेंट इन्फेक्शन. हॉस्पिटल एक्वायर्ड इन्फेक्शंस आर कोल्ड नोजोकोमियल इन्फेक्शन, ऑप्शन सी. नेक्स्ट है चिलेटिंग एजेंट यूज इन द केस ऑफ एक्यूट आयरन पॉइजनिंग, सोडियम फॉस्फेट, डाइमरकैप्लोफिरोइन या डीफेरियोक्सामिन. चिलेटिंग एजेंट यूज इन द केस ऑफ एक्यूट आयरन पॉइजनिंग इज ऑप्शन डीफेरियोक्सामिन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चेयरमैन ऑफ पीटीसी इज फार्मासिस्ट, फिजिशियन, हेड नर्स, हेड फार्मासिस्ट. चेयरमैन ऑफ पीटीसी इज ऑप्शन बी फिजिशियन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ही इज पेशेंट एबल टू वॉक अराउंड इज कॉल्ड emergency, outpatient, ambulatory patients, referred outpatients. Answer is option C, ambulatory patients. Next question is universal antidote contain all of the following except tannic acid, magnesium oxide, powdered charcoal, EDTA. Universal antidote contain all of the following except EDTA. Okay, universal antidote contain tannic acid, magnesium oxide, powdered charcoal. Okay.